Hello everyone. So in last lectures I have started game theory. In game theory we have studied principle of dominance, Maximin principle and graphical method, algebraic method. In last lecture I taught graphical method for two rows case. Now in this we will see graphical method for two column case. So we have this question and in this question there are two players A and B, and A have 5 strategy A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, and player 2, player B, 2 strategies B1, B2. Their profit and losses are given in the following payoff matrix. Find the value of game and proportion of strategies. So in this case we will see there are two columns. In previous case there were two rows. So in two rows case we were taking P1 and P2 proportion, but in column case we will take proportion Q1 and Q2. So for this first column we will take Q1 and for this second column we will take Q2. And now we will prepare pure strategy matrix and expected strategy matrix. So as A's have more strategies, A have more strategies, A1 to A5, 5 strategies are there. So we will prepare column for pure strategy for A. And as B are only 2 strategies, so we will prepare expected payoff, and expected payoff with combination of Q1 and Q2. So for first pure strategy A1, we will create combination. We will create combination like this 6 into Q1 plus this 7 into Q2. So we can write this as minus 6 into Q1 plus 7 into Q2. And for this Q2 you can replace this as 1 minus Q1 because total probability is 1. So you can write this as 7 into 1 minus Q1. And on solving we can write this as minus 6 Q1 and this is minus 7 Q1. So total is minus 13 Q1 and plus 7. So we will follow this process for all A's strategy. This 4 into Q1 plus minus 5 into Q2, and then we will replace this Q1 this Q2 by 1 minus Q1, and then we will get this value. So we will do this task for all strategies of A, for A3, A4, A5, and I have already done this in this block. Now we will prepare graph. So as there are two strategies, we will prepare graph. As there are two strategies for player B, so we will draw two vertical bar, and this first bar is for B1 and this second bar is for B2. Now values on this. So we will see in this block minimum value is minus 6 and maximum value is plus 7. So we will draw line from minus 7 to plus 7 at least, and we can draw more. So I have taken up to 9. So first we will draw this first line, this line A1. So for A1 this is minus 6 and this is 7. For B1 this is minus 6. So for B1 this is minus 6. This means this location. And for B2 this is 7. So this is plus 7. And now we will match these two lines. So we have matched these 2 points, and this strategy name is B1. Sorry, this is not B1, this is A1. So this strategy is as A1. Now second strategy A2. So first number for this A2 is 4 and second is 5. So 4 on this B1 and minus 5 on this B2. And next strategy is A3 minus 1 and minus 2. So this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. And next strategy is for this A4 minus 2 and 5. So this location is minus 2 and this location is 5 plus 5. And next is for A5 7 and minus 6. So for 7 and minus 6, so this is plus 7 and this is minus 6. Now we will match all these. So this gray with gray, this is your A5, fifth strategy, and yellow points, this is this one 2 and this is 5. So this strategy is A4 strategy, and then this red one, red points, so this is A4, A3 sorry, and green A2. So for green we will match points, green points. So this is strategy A2. Now we will follow criteria. So in 2 rows case we will take upper value of lower bound, we have discussed in previous case, and in 2 column case we will take lower value of upper bound. So this open area is upper bound and this open area is lower bound. So we will focus on this upper bound and lowest point. So in this upper bound, 3 locations, first is this, second is this, and fourth is this, and third is this, and fourth is this. 4 points are there. And this is the lower point with respect to 0 line. So from this location, this is the lowest point, and location of this point we will see this side. So this is the value of game, but we can't identify exactly this value of game because we don't have proper graph paper. So we will identify this value of game by some mathematical calculation. Okay, so this is the intersection of two things, two strategies. First strategy is A4 and second strategy is this gray one, A5. So combination of two, A4 and A5. This means this is the combination of this A4 and A5. So we will equate these two values. So A4 equals to A5, and on equating we will see this as minus 7 Q1, this value, plus 5 equals to this 13 Q1 minus 6. So now we can find the value of Q1. So value of Q1, this 7 this side, so this become total 20 Q1, and this 6 this side, so this become 11. So Q1 equals to 11 upon 20. And you can find this Q2 also, and Q2 is equal to 1 minus Q1. So that's why this value is 1 minus 11 upon 20, and this equals to 9 upon 20. So this is value of Q1 and Q2. Now we will find value of game, because we can't identify exact value from this diagram or graph. So value of game, we will put value of Q1 either in this or in this. So we are putting in this second one. So this is 13 Q1 minus 6, and this is equals to 13 Q1 equals to 11 upon 20 and minus 6. So you will see this 13 into 11. This is 143 minus this 20 into 6 is 120 upon 20. So the value of this game is 23 upon 20, and this is equals to 1.15. So this is value of game. And from graph also this is approximately at 1 point something. So this may be 1.15. So we have two things now. First, these optimal strategies, as there are two strategy Q1 and Q2, and the value of Q1 is 11 upon 20 and Q2 is 9 upon 20, and the value of game is 1.15. So this is the optimal strategy for player B, but we need to find for player A also. So you will see in this result we are focusing, we are getting result only from A4 and A5. That's why this A1 is 0, this A2 is 0, this A3 is 0. Now for A4 and A5 we will consider probability P1 and P2, and we will make equation for this A4 and A5. So this one is A4, this is A5. Now we will consider proportion of P1 and P2, and we will make equation for this. So equation for first and then equate. So equation for this is -2 into P1 and 7 into P2. So we are finding proportion for player A. Proportion of player A strategies. So first is -2 into P1 plus 7 P2. So this is -7 -2 into P1 plus 7 P2, and from A5 5 and -6. So this is 5 P1 and -6 P2, and P2 replaced by 1 minus P1. So we can write this as 2 P1 plus 7 into 1 minus P1, and this is 5 P1 minus 6 into 1 minus P1. Now we can find value of P1. So this is -2 P1 plus 7 minus 7 P1, and this equals to -5 P1 minus 6 and minus plus 6 P1, and the result you will see this -2 P1 and -7 P1, that is -9 P1 plus 7, and from this side this is 5 P1, 6 P1, that is 11 P1 minus 6. On solving you will get this 9 this side, so 11 plus 9, that is 20 P1, and -6 this side, this is 13. So you will see this 20 P1 equals to 13. So P1 equals to 13 upon 20, and we can find P2 also. So P2 is equal to 1 minus P1. So you will see this as 1 minus 13 upon 20. So this equals to 7 upon 20. So P2 strategy is 7 upon 20 and P1 is 13 upon 20. Now we will write in final answer. So this first is 0, second is 0, third is 0. This P1 equals to 13. This P1 equals to 13 upon 20, and this second one is 7 upon 20. So this is the proportion of strategies for player A, and this is for player B, and this is value of gain. So this is the final answer of this question. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.